Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and thank you for the interest in my leather tool holder. This unit that I have right here is the large unit. I offer a small as well. The small is half the size of this, but also half the storage capacity. Each one of these units have inserts on each side of them that will allow you to take the included pins and pin them together to attach the two racks with dry fitting instead of having to glue them together. That way, if you outgrow one rack or the two racks, you can simply slide them back apart and attach another rack and continue growing without discarding your whole rack system or your tool rack and starting from scratch. I'll throw you to a video here at the end and show you how easy it is to put these together. All right guys, here's one of the units that I've already got pinned together. They are dry fitted and they are made to move. But you know, you get it level, you get it put together. You can, like I said, glue them together. This is one that the bow ties are already in. There's you a good look at how they look with them inserted. You can still feel like just slightly, but you can push them in flush. I did leave enough space to where these will actually push in past the bottom. Let me take this one away. We'll pull two over I have not fitted in. These are both fresh off the printer. So when you take these, you'll see there's your slots. I lay them face down. I align my bow ties. There is a textured side and there is a slick side. Here's the slick side. I put it in. I get the bow tie started into place on one. Just simply push it in. And she'll push in a spot. Now these are dry fitted, so if it goes in really rough, take a soft hammer and slightly tap them to get them to go in. I was able to push them in with my finger, as you can see right there. And then these are still not pushed in flush, but what I do is I just take them down and give them a tap on the table, and now you've got them nice and flush. Now take them in one hand and simply push on the edges a little at a time. They'll come right back out. Again, everybody, thank you for your interest in my product. If you've purchased these, again, thank you so much for your business. I hope you have a great day.